A question that we get asked, sometimes ad nauseum, admittedly, is how's the market? Now, something that might come as a surprise is not everyone knows what the market is. So, let's touch on it. But before I do, please go down below and hit that subscribe button, as well as leave a like if you learned anything or happen to like the chat, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all of our videos. So, the real estate market as a whole is, well, it's a spectrum, in my opinion. On one end, you've got a seller's market. On the other end, you've got a buyer's market. And smack dab in the middle, you've got a balanced market. For the record, I think we're probably sitting somewhere around here. We're leaning decently heavily towards a buyer's market, but I don't think it's quite that bad. Speaking of buyer's market, though, what is it? What does it mean? Simply put, where the market sits on this spectrum depends entirely on supply and demand. In the case of a buyer's market, there is less demand than there is supply. So, buyers have the ability to shop around. You know, you're going to look for a new car, let's say, and you've got all of these dealerships you can look at. You can shop around for the best price and what fits you perfectly. So the power is with the buyer in that situation. On, the flip side, seller's market, which based off of the past 2 years, everyone should be familiar with, is when demand far exceeds the amount of supply. So in that case, it's like there's something that's limited. You see it more times with, anime, that sort of thing, when like a collector's edition things come out, or certain cards for my Magic fans, like Black Lotuses before they got reprinted. Not everyone gets it. But there's a super small number and a bunch of people vying for it. So, prices get jacked up, right? Because people will pay it because they want it. So, very heavy in supply, but not much demand. Very heavy in demand, but not much supply. Ipso facto, a balanced market is when supply and demand are pretty much equal. This territory is where you see what the true value of houses really is. They'll tend to sell for a little less in a buyer's market. They'll tend to sell for a little more in a seller's market. But in a balanced market, which is ideally the state of things, the amount of supply meets the amount of demand, and things sell approximately where they should. So that's the real estate market as I view it. If you agree with me, if you disagree with me, please leave it down in the comment section below. And while you're down there, you might as well hit that subscribe button. And if you've already hit that subscribe button, well, go ahead and hit that like button. Practically the same thing. Same amount of work anyway. And make sure you hit that little bell to stay up to date with all of our videos. That's it for me here today, guys. Have a good one.